I can make a distortion circuit with just 3 components, 2 capacitors and this power amplifier chip. This circuit works by using an LM386 power amplifier chip. Most distortion pedals use op amps, which require a little more effort to get working in an audio application, where this chip barely takes anything since it's specifically designed to amplify an audio signal. We can even take out the 1 capacitor, which lowers the gain, and make a clean boost with only 2 components. Now that we have this simple circuit, let's add some features to make it more usable as a guitar pedal. To start with, I'm going to add some filtering to reduce noise and a circuit protection diode. Now I'm going to add some filtering to the input. If we add a low capacitor value at the input, it'll filter out some of the low end and give the distortion a tighter sound. Here's what it sounds like with a 6.8 NF capacitor. Now, I actually like the full range sound of everything being allowed through and distorted, so I'm going to use a 10 UF capacitor, which will allow all the audible frequencies through. Now I'm also going to add a 100 PF capacitor to ground, which will act as a low pass filter, mostly just reducing some of the high pitched noise. I'm also adding a volume control since this thing is unbearably loud. We could add a gain or a tone control here, but I'm not going to. We don't need that. Amps have knobs, guitars have knobs, other pedals have a bunch of knobs. That's plenty of control over the signal chain. 1 knob is enough here. Now that the idea is figured out, I'm going to screen print some artwork my brother made. We named this pedal the Dirt Ball in reference to the 1 round knob that is circular, similar in roundness to a ball. Since this is a very simple circuit, I'm doing a point-to-point build with some curved wires, which I'm very happy with. After putting it all together, here's what it looks like. And here's what it sounds like. I really do love this thing. It's such a thick and messy distortion sound. It really sounds like a solid state amp hitting its limit, which is pretty much what it is. And because that's what it is, we can actually use it as an amp head. Here's what it sounds like being ran directly into my homemade 4/8 cabinet. Now let's plug it back into an amp and use it in a jam. I'm going to use the guitar's volume knob this time to control the gain a bit. That's all we have for this pedal. If you'd like to be the owner of the Dirt Ball, I made a second one and I'm putting it in our Reverb store, link in the description. I want to give a thank you to everyone that supported the last video. That was really cool to see. And also, special thanks to Earthquaker for using this circuit in multiple of their circuits, which is how I first found out about it. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you know of any even simpler distortion circuits.